One target, one goal. The harpy eagle's binocular vision is 8 times more powerful than a human's, and right now, it's focused on the smallest life in the canopy. He doesn't want the mother, he wants the baby. The chase is a masterclass in aerodynamics versus agility. The harpy eagle, with its massive 5-inch talons, maneuvers through the dense Bornean branches like a heat-seeking missile. The mother proboscis monkey is desperate. She's utilizing her specialized muscle fibers for explosive leaps, but every path is blocked by those wings. She's forced down, a 30-foot plunge into the danger zone. A narrow miss. A black caiman lunges, its jaws snapping with 2 tons of pressure. Most would freeze, but she scrambles back into the canopy. She's back in the heights, but the nightmare hasn't left. The harpy is a persistent nightmare, banking through the branches with terrifying precision. But look at her. This is a masterclass in arboreal survival. She isn't just jumping, she's calculating. Using her specialized musculoskeletal system, she executes explosive, death-defying bounds that defy gravity. She is smart, outmaneuvering the eagle by choosing paths too narrow for his 6-foot wingspan. Every leap is a tactical decision. She uses the dense foliage as a physical shield, forcing the apex predator into high-speed stalls. Her brain-to-body ratio is high for a reason. She is outthinking a killer. The harpy strikes, but she's already gone. A blur of orange fur and pure maternal instinct. It's a high-speed game of chess in the clouds, and she refused to lose the king. Driven to the edge of sanity, she takes the ultimate gamble. She leaps for the river. Disaster. The impact separates them. The infant is adrift. A tiny life floating